Alright guys, quick video of how to install a hose end on an AN line. So you can see we already have a -6 straight end here. We need to put one on this end as well. So I'll show you how this works. So this is just a straight -6 hose end. They're all going to be about the same. These are Russell. So when you pull it apart, you have two different pieces, your sleeve and your insert. So the sleeve is going to thread over the line. Inside here, it's reverse thread. And once it's over the line, this piece is going to thread back into the sleeve. So I'll show you how that works real quick. Your line, you want to make sure that it's cut nice and straight. Take your sleeve, and you can push it on and start to thread it onto your hose. Now, hopefully you can see in here. I'll get under the light. But you want your hose to butt up against the inside threads flush. That way you know you're going to get a good seal on this hose end. The next step is you need to put this in your soft jaws on your vise to keep this from spinning. Take your insert, small amount of lubricant on the threads and on the taper here, and then this starts to thread in to your sleeve. Now it's important when you're threading this in to make sure that you're not pushing the hose out the back end of the collar. So I just usually keep a hand on the hose to make sure that's not happening. I also always use AN wrenches when I'm building these fittings. They're aluminum, so it won't scar up the finish on these fittings. We just thread this in until it stops. And that is how you install an AN hose end onto your AN line.